Good morning, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. Hello, everyone. I'm Kulvinder, your KV on my YouTube channel, Kulvinder Pharma Vision. For your success, my mission. Today, I'm taking this video how pharma marketing is different. So, especially for all the graduates who are still thinking what they are supposed to do and which career they need to choose after their graduation and unable to take this decision, today these special slides are for them that how pharma marketing is different and there is huge scope to start your career in this profession. First of all, I would like to share this information. This is very latest of the August data that India ranks third in whole world as far as the pharmaceutical production by volume is concerned, and in 14th rank worldwide if the pharmaceutical industry sales value is concerned. So you can see that how huge scope and how much India is contributing in healthcare industry through their pharmaceutical help. If we see the projections of the future course of time, Indian domestic pharmaceutical market is estimated to end up at $42 billion in 2021, which is more likely to be 65 billion by 2024 and 120 to 130 billions by 2030. So it means in next almost 20 years, this $42 billion are going to be 130, means three times, almost three times, even more than three times. You can see that how fast this industry is going and how for you can say the projections are showing that how good the future can be. First of all, let's discuss what is pharmaceuticals. Pharmaceuticals, where there is a combination of health science with chemical science. It means pharmaceutical industry is striving through their chemical combinations of medicines to impart health to the people. Pharmaceutical market is basically the supply and availability of medicines all over for the people because they need it either to prevent the disease or for any medical condition they are suffering. Pharmaceutical market is basically is of two types. Prescription drugs means the drugs which only can be prescribed by doctors, and some drugs or medicines which are OTC, over the counter. It means for example आप chemist से जाके बोलते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा सर दर्द हो रहा है. Chemist gives some medicine on its own, or you can see the ad of certain medicals medicines on the TV also, like cough syrups, some Diagene gel, or I can give you example of Crocin दे दो. तो जो ड्रग्स आप खुद केमिस्ट पे जाके टीवी में ऐड देख के खुद लेते हैं, they come in the category of OTCs, means over the counter. आप खुद जाके काउंटर से बोल के केमिस्ट से ले रहे हैं. But prescription drugs are those drugs which only doctors can prescribe, and they are further of two types, branded and generic. All these details of OTC, branded, generics, we will take up in our next sessions. Today this session is especially for prescription drug pharmaceutical marketing. There is a chart which shows very clearly कि pharmaceutical marketing of medicinal products कैसे run करती है. Any manufacturing company, pharma company produces and does the production of medicines through obviously raw material and other ingredients. Sometimes manufacturing company has a marketing department of its own. Otherwise, there are only marketing companies which gets their products manufactured from the manufacturing company. So ultimately, marketing is done by pharma companies of the medicines. For them, doctors is the customers. They they promote these products to the doctor so that doctor will prescribe, जो से हम पर्चा बोलते हैं कि डॉक्टर ने पर्चे में क्या लिखा है. We call this पर्चा in a medical term as prescription. So डॉक्टर जो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन में मेडिसिन प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं, वो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन हम लेके जाते हैं केमिस्ट के पास. So chemist used to dispense the medicines to the patient. So this is the whole chain. Manufacturing company ने बनाया, marketing ने market करा, doctors को जाके promote करा, prescription generate हुआ, chemist के पास गया और patient ने खरीदा और तब हुई pharma company की sale. इस पूरे प्रोसेस में बहुत सारी कड़ियां हैं जो एक दूसरे से जुड़ी हुई हैं, बट एक एक चीज है जिसे कहा जाता है टू बिगिन विद medical sales representatives or medical representative, which is a huge link between pharma company, doctors and chemists. So यहाँ आपका after graduation scope आता है that get into the training course of medical representative, join this career, promote your products, join a company as a MR, promote those products to doctors, meet chemists also. They are very well qualified, dignified, both the segments, and you will be handling your distribution channel so that आपके products की sale हो और आपकी company की say marketing and sales हो. So this is where, as a graduate, usually conventional times I say companies सिर्फ science और pharmacy graduates लेती थी, but आजकल companies used to welcome even arts and commerce graduate क्योंकि they train them and they make them equipped to handle all such things which are required in the job responsibilities. So this is a wonderful career. For this, please watch my video number 1, why to choose MR as a career, which is very useful. This is a beautiful profession full of pride and so many other points which I have discussed, and this profession has huge amount of money to begin with. सिर्फ मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव बनने से ही आपका काम नहीं होता. यू आर वेरी प्रोग्रेसिव, वेरी एग्रेसिव, वेरी एम्बिशियस children nowadays. I know you graduates want to progress further. So उसके लिए देखिए मेरी वीडियो नंबर 2, लेडर ऑफ सक्सेस, कि आप कितनी ऊंचाइयों तक जा सकते हैं अगर आप स्टार्ट करते हैं एज ए मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. ओटीसी मार्केट की हम बात करेंगे नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में. एफएमसीजी हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. फार्मा मार्केटिंग डिफरेंट है. फास्ट मूविंग कंज्यूमर गुड्स जो हम डे टू डे लाइफ में यूज करते हैं, सोप करते हैं, ब्रश करते हैं, खाना खाते हैं, all that other products are comes in fast moving consumer goods which we use in our day to day life. उसमें भी मैन्युफैक्चरर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करेंगे, कंज्यूमर प्रोडक्ट्स प्रोड्यूस करेंगे, रिटेलर और जनरल स्टोर्स पे अवेलेबल होगा और कंज्यूमर हम खरीदेंगे. हम ही कंज्यूमर हैं, हम ही कस्टमर हैं. बट हियर द मार्केटिंग मीडिया इज वेरी वास्ट. एडवर्टाइजिंग मीडिया, वेदर टीवी, रेडियो, केबल, प्रिंट मीडिया, न्यूज़पेपर और मैगजीन्स के थ्रू प्रमोट हो सकता है. डिजिटल मीडिया, ऑनलाइन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क एंड मॉल सप्लाई नाउडेज आल्सो. So pharma marketing has a huge scope of marketing and sales in compare to FMCG consumer goods market. And other differences I have already told in my video number 1. I may be repeating in future also. So now clear cut differences में आपको 8 points बताने जा रही हूँ जिसमें आपको ये पता चलेगा कि pharmaceutical marketing कैसे different है. हेल्थ साइंस और केमिकल साइंस का कॉम्बिनेशन है. हालांकि हमारी एफएमसीजी में जनरल प्रोडक्ट्स की बात होती है. मेडिसिनल प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर मेडिसिनल कंडीशंस के लिए यूज होते हैं. डे टू डे प्रोडक्ट्स हमें कभी भी जरूरत पड़ते हैं. मार्केट इज रेगुलेटेड. देयर इज नो रेगुलेशंस इन द मार्केट. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड सप्लाई रेगुलेटेड बाय रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटीज. और एफएमसीजी में कुछ नहीं है. इससे आपको एक चीज और पता चलती है कि जब कोई चीज रेगुलेशंस में है, so there is drug regulatory department also. There is vast scope of pharmacists also to join these departments. Products available on chemist shops only and sold by well qualified chemists. FMCG product कहीं भी किसी से भी कोई भी बेच सकता है. Price is regulated, especially for life-saving drugs. There are so many drugs nowadays जहाँ price regulate हो चुके हैं. DPCO, Drug Price Control Order. This is the authority. And नेशनल फार्मास्यूटिकल प्राइसिंग अथॉरिटी जो ये कहती है कि एमआरपी इससे ज्यादा कोई कंपनी नहीं रख सकती. दे नीड टू कीप सर्टेन प्रोडक्ट्स price below the given threshold margins. FMCG में कोई price regulation नहीं है. Prescription drugs cannot be advertised in social media. They have to be marketed by medical representatives or medical marketing teams. Whereas FMCG के लिए आप जनरल सेल्स की कोई भी मीडिया यूज करते हैं बट एडवर्टाइजिंग एक्ट के अंदर. फार्मास्यूटिकल मार्केट में क्योंकि आपका डॉक्टर कस्टमर है बट पेशेंट कंज्यूमर है, बीच की पूरी चेन को फुलफिल करना पड़ता है. Whereas in FMCG, customer and consumer itself is same. So selling is very simple and easy. Marketing is needed, but as a profession, there is a huge difference. See my video number 1 and see the difference. Hope you have very easily understood that what are the points which differentiates. So keep watching my channel Kulbinder Pharma Vision for your success, my mission. Stay tuned, do watch my channel for Ladder of Success and why to choose MR as a career. And very soon I am taking up next sessions. Stay tuned, be happy, be healthy. Thank you.